Clear? What about
Yes.
second one?
Second one is x cube x raised to 5 minus 5x cube by 2 plus 5x by 2 minus 5 by 4x plus 5 by 16x cube minus 1 by 32 x raised to 5.
Perfect. This is correct. Minus 1 by 32 x raised to 5.
Yes.
Find the 10th term.
110 by x cube.
110 by?
X cube.
No. The answer is 55 by 128 x cube.
Okay. Uh,
Okay. One minute. Let me check.
okay, got it.
What mistake did you make?
I think in the last substitution part.
Okay. So just make the corrections over here.
Yes.
What about fourth one?
Just a second, I'll just correct this.
Yeah, yeah.
X raised to 9. Fourth one is 924 x raised to 6.
Correct. 924 x raised to 6. What about second part?
Second part is 63x by 32.
63x
And
by 4
no, 1 second. 63x by 4 and 63 by 32x.
minus 63 by 32x.
Yes, minus 63 by 32x.
Okay. Fifth one,
Six 1565 x raised to 32.
fifth one is 1365. The answer is 1365. You just have to give the coefficient only. X raised to 32. Just give the coefficient.
Yeah,
But you got answer is different now. Answer is 1365.
yes,
Clear?
yes.
The sixth one,
Sixth one is 180.
perfect. Seventh,
Seventh is 3.
perfect. Eighth,
A is 3. Eighth is plus minus 2.
eighth is they have given just two. Okay, I will check this. Ninth,
Ninth is k is equal to 1 by 3x.
perfect. And tenth, just 1 by 3. Coefficient they are asked now. Ninth also they are asking just
Yeah,
coefficient. So you don't
okay.
have to give that answer, just coefficient. Okay. Tenth one,
Yeah. Tenth one.
it was proving one I.
Up it's proving.
Yeah, okay. 11th,
1 minus 5x plus 15x square minus 35x cube.
correct. 1 minus 5x plus 15x square minus 35x cube. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. Clear. So all the questions are done. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's start with the advanced one. 1 minute. I will give you the question. Okay. Just try down this one. Question is find coefficient of three consecutive terms in expansion 1 plus x in the expansion 1 plus x raised to n plus 5. Okay. They have given if coefficient of three consecutive terms 1 plus x raised to 5 are in ratio 5 is to 10 is to 14, then n is equal to question mark.
Okay.
See, they are just the coefficient ka ratio, so I am just writing coefficients only.
Yes.
Term, okay.
N plus 5 CR is to N plus 5 CR plus 1 is to N plus 5 CR plus 2.
Yeah, so
That is N plus 5 factorial upon uh,
yeah,
R factorial into N plus
just
5.
simplify that to get the
Yes.
value of. So this is the formula, correct? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. This both will get cancelled.
So 1 by N plus 5 minus R minus 1 into N plus 5 minus R is 2. 1 by R plus 1 N plus 5 minus R minus 1 is 2. 1 by R plus 1 into R plus 2 will be equal to that ratio.
So I took first two this part, so I got this one. What equations you are getting from here?
I'm comparing all the three ratios together.
Okay.
What is the ratio, the
So when you will simplify this, so what
total
you will get?
ratio?
R plus 1 into R factorial upon R factorial. So this will also get cancelled.
Yes,
Okay.
cancel.
And if we simplify this both, so n plus 4 minus r factorial. इसके इसको if we write like this, so this will be n plus 5 minus r. एक और कम करेंगे तो it will be n plus 4 minus r factorial.
Yes.
So we got r plus 1 upon n plus 5 minus r equal to half. This is equation 1.
Yes.
Got this much?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have to do this part also. One minute, let me check how much space. Okay, we have the space. So this is your equation 1. उसके बाद अभी we'll try it on this also. N plus 5 C R plus 1 upon N plus 5 C R plus 2, which is equal to 10 by 14, which is 5 by 7. Just simplify this also. इसको simplify करने पे what you are getting. R we have to eliminate ना, तो इसको मैं करता हूँ 2
Yes.
into R plus 1.
N plus 4 minus r upon r plus 2.
Okay, okay. This you did ना, तो yeah, it would be n plus 5 factorial upon r plus 2. So it's r plus 2 factorial into n plus 3 minus r, which is equal to 5 by 7. So this both will get cancelled. So we'll get r plus 2, बाकी सब cancel हो जाएगा, and upon n plus 4 minus r will be equal to 5 by 7. Got this much, or should I write the steps?
Yes, I got.
Okay, so it's 7 into r plus 2 is equal to 5 into n plus 4 minus r. Solve it further. What you are getting?
12r is equal to 7n plus 18.
Perfect. 12r is equal to 7n plus 18. नहीं, 5n आ रहा है मेरा तो. 5n and 20 minus 4 is 6. This I am getting. 12r equal to,
Yes.
okay, now just substitute r over here. So it's 12, instead of r I'm putting n plus 3 by 3, this one.
Yes.
4 times. Solve it and get the value of n. N equal to
R
6.
is minus 7.
N e- R की
7.
N find out करना है ना. So N you got 6 ना.
N is 24.
Should I solve it again कि कुछ confusion है?
From where did you get R is 1?
I got this one. N plus 3 by 3. See, while solving it further, na, that equation. So I got the value like this. See, pay attention. 2 I multiplied over here. And so I got the relation between R and N over here. Because I want to eliminate
Yes.
R. Na? And then I solved this also.
Yes.
This equation also I solved it further. So I got this equation. 12R equal to 5N plus 6. Now in place of R,
Yes.
I have substituted.
Yeah. So N plus 3 upon 3.
Still, if any steps that you are confused or something, then let me know.
Yes. N plus. Yes, got it. 6 is equal to N.
Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Just try down this question. Total number of irrational terms in expansion 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 3 raised to 1 by 10 whole raised to 60. So, in this case, how will you do it?
TR plus 1, find a general term and then solve. And then you'll be able to find it.
Okay, try down. Okay, so let's get the general term.
Now we know 3 is. So this is, it will be 7, 60 minus R by 15 and 3 R by 10.
Yeah.
So these need to be integer values so that there's no irrational term. So
Okay, matlab first you are finding out the rational numbers, correct? And then you will subtract. What will be the, how you will do that?
yeah, I'll find the rational number of rational terms and subtract
O-
because irrational terms will be too many.
Okay, carry on, carry on. Yeah, you are going it correct. Just carry on. Let's see if you are getting the answers.
9.
How many irrational
No,
terms?
sorry, 51.
51. No, no, 51 is not
The
the.
equation is 60 minus r by 15 that can be satisfied by 0,
How
15, 30,
15?
and
It's 5.
45.
5. It's 5, na? It's 5. 60 minus r by 5.
Oh,
It's.
that's 5. Okay, yes, sorry. 5.
Okay. Try again.
So that
This is 10,
becomes.
na? So don't get confused. Yeah, this is 10.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So this
Mm,
will be a rational term,
mm, mm.
and to get this to get this as rational term, 60 minus r by 5, that has to be an integer.
Yes.
So it's 12 minus r by 5 integer, and same thing r
Then
will
it will be 49.
50.
50. Actually, 48.
Still no. The answer of this question is, let me check 1 minute. Let me check. Okay, 8. So in this case, r by 10 is an integer, correct? So r has to be,
Yes.
for this, then r has to be a multiple of 10.
Yes.
So 10, 20, 30, up to 60. These are the possibilities from this side. Let me check over here. इसमें क्या possibilities हो सकता है? Here the r has to be a multiple of 5.
Yes.
Okay.
So both the sets are overlapping.
Yeah, so but
The the
we'll
larger set is.
combine that part when we'll find the intersection of this. So answer would be, this all parts will be included.
Yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So how many terms? So
Six.
r will be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Clear, na?
Yes.
So how
Yes.
many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 will
R
also,
can't be
0
60.
also be the 0 will also.
R, yes, 0 will be there.
Okay, so this will be, so number of rational terms will be how many? Rational terms will be 7.
Yeah. But you
Now
also have to include the five multiples of 5.
this all, these are the common thing, na? This will have a multiple of 5 also, no? 10.
Yeah, but the separate ones.
No, separate you won't include, na? Because you have, see, both the cases should be.
Oh, yes. Yes. Got it.
So rational terms will be 7. तो irrational कितना आएगा?
53.
नहीं, अभी भी मिस्टेक हो रही है.
54.
Yeah,
54.
yeah. So in this case, the total terms will be 61. N plus 1,
Yes.
correct? So n
Yes.
plus 1 minus 61 minus 7. So it would be 54.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not giving a similar one, I will give as a homework part.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's try down the next one. Question. Middle term in expansion of x cubed by 3 and 3 by x cubed by 3 plus 3 by x raised to 8 e- is equal to 5670. Then sum of real values of x are question mark.
Okay.
So in this case, your n is 8. Even.
Ye- yes.
So middle term will be
Middle term is 5.
n by 2 plus 1. Yeah. So it's fifth term.
Zero?
Uh, 0 is the correct one. I think 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, 0. So what values of x you got?
Plus minus root 3.
Plus minus root 3. Correct. So yeah, this is correct. Perfect. So I think let's jump to the next one. So we will get x equal to plus minus root 3, and when you will add plus root 3 and minus root 3, answer will come out to be 0. Perfect. Okay, just try down this one. X plus 1. Just try down this one. You have to find out the term which is
Yes.
independent of x.
Yeah, yes.
Coefficient of term. Coefficient of term. independent variables. You know this formula? A cube plus B cube?
Yeah. No, a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b.
And another formula, A plus B, A cube plus B cube is A plus B into, this is also the formula, A square minus AB plus B square.
Okay.
ओके, सो थोड़ा इसको मैन्युपुलेट करना पड़ेगा, सो पे अटेंशन. So it's x plus 1. Can I write like this? X cube raised to 1 by 3 plus, or okay, नहीं नहीं एक मिनट, I have to write इसको इस फॉर्म में चाहिए ना, x raised to 1 by 3 the whole cube plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 the whole cube. So now this is a cube plus b cube. So this I will
Yes.
write x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 into x raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1. So,
Yes.
so now take this on the denominator side. So इसको पहले simplify तो करना पड़ेगा ना. How will you do it? So first we will simplify that. So x plus 1 upon x raised to 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1, which is equal to x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1.
Yes.
Okay, so now this part is simplified in this form, x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1. अब इसको करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो x minus 1 इसको क्या लिखेंगे, रूट x the whole square minus 1 the whole square. So we'll write root x plus 1 into root x minus 1.
Yes.
इसको just write down in this, root x take out common, so it would be root x minus 1. So x minus 1 upon, this will take out, so x minus 1 upon root x minus 1 is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x. Okay, so what I will write, but you want root x in the denominator, यहाँ पर root x भी चाहिए, and multiply by 1 by root x on both sides. Or we can write instead of this, what we'll write, root x plus 1. So it's root x plus 1 upon root x raised to 10. So it's x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by root x raised to 10. So it's x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by root x raised to 10. So we simplified this equation in this form, x raised to 1 by 3 minus x raised to minus 1 by 2 raised to 10. अब आंसर निकाल दो.
210.
1 minute, let me check this answer. Answer is 210.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Easy or tough?
Easy.
Okay, good. So up now try down this one. Calculate the coefficient of x raised to 5 in expansion 1 minus 2x minus x square plus 2x cube raised to 7. So you have to find out the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the expansion of this. So there is a concept also behind this. First we'll simplify. First step is to simplify this.
Yes. Minus. It can't be factorized, can it?
Uh,
Using trinomial method.
fact you can factorize this now. This one. See, the 1 minus x square, and in this case take out minus 2x common. So that will be 1 minus x square raised to 7.
Okay. Yes.
So the 1 minus 2x into 1 minus x square raised to 7. Now the concept is, see, the term which has more matlab, coefficient, see, in this case the power of x square, this is more, na? So you will expand this term. Wherever in this simplification, whichever term has more power of x, you have to expand this term. This is the concept.
Okay.
So
And the other term?
other term, that you have to just normal multiply.
Okay.
Okay, so expand this. So what you will get, 1 minus x square raised to 7. So that will be equal to 7c0 minus 7c1 x square plus 7c2 x raised to 4. Well, now we won't go beyond because we just want coefficient of x raised to 5. No?
Yes, x raised to 5. Yes.
So we won't go
But
beyond. I have stopped till x raised to 4.
x raised to 5 is impossible.
How? See, till x, I will explain you. So from this, when you will multiply, okay, so now 1 minus x square raised to 7 into 1 minus 2x raised to 7. So that will be, instead of 1 minus x square, I am writing 7c0, which is 7. No, it's 1. minus 7c1 is 7x square plus 7c2 is how much? 7 into 6 upon 2. 21 x raised to
21.
4. Okay. So I have written this much and 1 minus 2x raised to 7. So when you will expand this, तो इसमें x raised to 5 नहीं हो सकता and into 1. So you
Yeah.
will get some coefficients. No? So
Yeah.
1 minus 2x raised to 7. Now I am expanding the bracket. So 1 minus 2x raised to 7 इसको multiply होगा minus 7x square into 1 minus 2x raised to 7. In this case, the coefficient of x should be 3. Because 3 अगर square के साथ multiply होगा then you will get 5 ना.
Yeah.
Clear? Plus 21x raised to 4. 1 minus 2x raised to 7. In this case, the coefficient of x should be bouncer or your understanding.
I'm understanding.
So in this case, last step coefficient of x should be what? In this case, it should be x cube coefficient x cube
Hmm.
into x square. You will get coefficient of
Yeah.
x raised to 5. In this case, what should be the coefficient? What should be the coefficient? It would be x raised to 1. X raised
3.
to 1 into x raised to 4. You will get,
Yes, x raised to 1.
and in this case, the coefficient should be x raised to 5.
2x 5.
Okay, तो अब जनरल टर्म लिखो सब इसका. So 1 minus 2x raised to 7. So tr plus 1 of 1 minus 2x raised to 7. इसका जनरल टर्म क्या होगा? NCR. ओके 7CR 1 raised to into minus 2x 7 minus R. So if we want to find out the coefficient of x raised to 5 in this, okay, तो इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफिकेशन फॉर्म में लिखते हैं minus 2 7 minus R into 7CR into x raised to 7 minus R. Easy or you are getting confused?
No, I'm getting it.
Okay, okay. So x to the power 7 minus R is equal to x to the power 5. So 7 minus R, so R will be 2. So coefficient will be what? Uh, Coefficient of x raised to 5.
TR plus 1 minus R. Yes.
Okay, so this, okay, now we'll try to find out the coefficient of x cube in this. Okay, so with x cube में क्या आएगा? Minus 2. Okay, एक minute, x cube ना. So the coefficient of x cube. So in this case, 7 minus r will be equal to 3. R will be 4. So it's minus 2 cube and final one coefficient of x. Oops. 7 minus r equal to 1, so r will be 6. Okay, so it's minus 2 raised to 1. So what would be the final answer? Coefficient 7c2 minus 2 raised to 5 minus 7 into 7c4 minus 2 raised to 3 plus 21 into minus 2 raised to 1 into 7c1. This is the answer. Getting it or confused?
Uh, in of x. So you found all the coefficients of different x raised to 5,
Yeah,
x
this
raised
is,
to 3, and so on.
yeah.
And then,
And then we already got the coefficient. इसमें x cube का coefficient by this multiply. फिर x cube और x
okay.
square उन दोनों को हटा के I have just written the value. See minus 7 I have written और उसका coefficient लिख दिया ये वाला. So minus
Yes.
7 into 7c4 into minus 2 cube.
Yes. Okay. Correct. Got it.
Okay, so one question you tried out completely. एक मिनट मैं थोड़ा इजी वन ही देता हूँ फर्स्ट वंस भी मतलब वंस यू आर कंफर्टेबल फिर ओके
I'll just drink some water.
या
Come.
प्लीज टेल मी
Is there some identity for this?
No, same like previous one. First you just simplify this. So it's there is no identity. इसमें x square common निकालो. So 1 plus x square into 1
Oh.
plus x, the whole raised to 6. So it's 1 plus x square, 1 plus x. Now what I had informed कि जिसका power of
Is
x
greater.
is greater, that thing you have to expand. So you have to expand this term.
Yes.
Just get the answer. In C के form में ही रख लोगे, that even that will be fine.
Oh. 1590 to 25.
In this form I wanted, and just coefficient का form previous, just tell me the answer. Coefficient में क्या है?
1590 and 225.
नहीं 6C4 ऐसा कुछ.
Oh, like that. Then it will be mm,
15, ओके मैं
15,
आपके हिसाब से मैं करता हूँ 15 19 एंड
90 and 225.
15 90 एंड
So 15, 6 into 15 and 15 into 15. 15 is, I think, uh,
ओके एक मिनट इसका एक्सपेंशन करते
63.
हैं मैं कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ
63.
बिकॉज आंसर वैसा ओके आंसर आंसर हमें सी के फॉर्म में रखना है मतलब फाइनल में सो इसका एक्सपेंशन क्या लिखा
Hmm.
यू जस्ट टेल मी द स्टेप्स ना मैं लिख लेता हूँ क्विकली
Okay. Step is 1 plus x square into 1 plus x. So 1 plus x raised to 6, 1 plus x square raised to 6.
ओके
1 plus x square raised to 6 is expanded to 1 plus 6x square plus 15x raised to 4
एक बेटा ए वन प्लस
in
सिक्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस या एक मिनट सिक्स
dot dot dot.
या 15x बट वी डोंट रिक्वायर फर्दर वर्ड्स परफेक्ट
Yes.
दिस मच इज
And then
करेक्ट
multiply. Huh. And then now when you expand out 1 plus x raised to 6, you get 1 plus 6x plus 15x square plus 20x cube plus 15x raised to 4. We will multiply 15x raised to 4 with 1. We will multiply 15x square with 6x square. We will multiply 15x raised to 4 with
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट सो फाइनल आंसर
1.
एक आएगा 6C4 और 15 आएगा 15 करेक्ट है इसमें
Yeah.
इन दिस इट वुड बी 90 या अकॉर्डिंग
Yes.
टू यू और इसमें आएगा इसमें क्या आएगा
15?
15 या करेक्ट so ठीक है but what I was expecting is generally you should write in this form 6C4
Okay.
plus 6C1 into 6C2 plus 6C2 into 6C0
Yeah.
क्लियर एक मिनट अब
Yes.
थोड़ा सा और करते हैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन इज इन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ 4 raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 upon 6 raised to 1 by 4 20 इसमें you have to prove that the middle term okay first step एक step by step ही जाते हैं just get the number of rational terms
Okay. 4 1 is equal to needs to be rational. Yes. So needs to be integral and you have divisible by 3. Here you'd have divisible by 4. This side includes mm, 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 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, rational number terms, so that is 12.
No, rational terms is not 12. उतना भी हिंट दे देता हूँ कि रैशनल टर्म्स का जो आंसर है इट्स लेस देन 5, 5 से भी कम है.
Hmm, uh,
Pay attention, you have applied this thing na. See, in this case it's 4 and 6, so there might be some multiple of वो common भी हो सकते हैं ना, तो you have to use this factor. First factorize to prime.
okay.
All take all prime numbers. What is this value? इसको simplify करने में क्या आ रहा है?
Minus 11 r by 2 raised to 40 minus 11 r by 12.
2 raised to 40. एक मिनट हाँ. So 12 है ना, so I think 12. So into 4, 160 आएगा ना. 160 minus 8r
8 r.
minus 11r by 12. Now this has to be for rational numbers. This has to be integers.
Yes.
So try down. इसमें trick यही था कि you have to factorize to prime. Otherwise the answer would be so 160 by 12.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And r by 4 is also integer, so r will be multiple of, इसमें से r तो एक आएगा fix multiple of 4. So what we can do, 0, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. अब इसको substitute करके check कर लो ना. If we substitute 0 over here, 160 by 12, 0 नहीं आएगा. What about 4 if we substitute? Whether we are
No,
getting
it won't come.
4 भी नहीं आएगा. What about 8?
Yes.
So 8 is the correct one. Next 12.
No.
And 16, 20 दो में से कोई है.
No, and no, neither of them.
20 भी नहीं आ रहा, एक मिनट बस, शायद 20 आ जाना चाहिए। -11 × 20/12।
1 second.
220 -60 या -60/12 आ तो रहा है, -5 इंटीजर टर्म।
Yeah.
So 12, so there are two rational terms. And what about irrational? How many terms will be there?
Irrational, there'll be 18. No, 19.
Yeah, irrational 19. What about middle term, is rational or irrational?
Middle term, middle term for this is 21. So that's 11 and 13. 11 if you take, that's 10 and 12. So substitute.
अब substitute क्या
No, it
करना,
won't
you
come.
know ना, 8th and
It won't
20th
come.
are rational. So 8th and
Yeah, it
20th,
won't be. It's
9th and
irrational.
9th and 21st term are uh, rational. So it's irrational. Correct na? Middle term is
It's irrational.
okay. Correct. अब next variety will बहुत सारे complicated questions है, but yeah. Okay. So try down this one. Remainder. Find out the remainder. एक मिनट, इसमें जगह कम है ना, so ठीक है, let's do it over here, चलेगा। So remainder when 15 raised to 23 plus 23 raised to 23 is divisible by 19.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm. So that will be term number 18.
So you have to find out the remainder when this number is divisible by 19.
Wouldn't this be modular arithmetic rather than binomial theorem?
Whichever way you try, binomial also I will explain you. Modular arithmetic, just get the answer if you are able to solve.
Hmm. Hmm.
What is the answer?
I'm finding it, almost done.
Okay, okay.
23.
You are doing by binomial or modulo? Like,
Modulo.
okay, okay.
So I'm not finding 23 raised to 23 is what modulo.
Okay,
19.
just share me the image ना what you did. So फिर उसके बाद में, and in my case, I think say I in each and every term when we do the addition part there is 19. So 19 is there. So it's two. You can see in each and every term na, there is 19. So in with binomial the remainder is 0.
Uh, okay, yes. Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
And you just
But
share me
in
that
the terms, last few terms, there won't be 19, the last one.
last one, but in this case it's 19 minus 4. तो यहाँ minus आएगा ना, in
Okay,
all odd
yes,
terms और
yes.
इसमें plus आएगा. So that will be,
Subtraction, yes. I sent you the image.
yeah, okay, I'll check. Meanwhile, you just try down the next one. This is also a good question. इसको try कर लो. So the question is, if the coefficient of both x square and x cube coefficients are 0, so coefficients of x square and x cube are 0 in the expansion of 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 3x raised to 15, then the ordered pair of AB will be what? So, ordered pair of A comma B equal to question mark. Just write down this one. So they have given the coefficient of x square and x cube are 0 in the expansion of this term. Then the ordered pair A comma B will be.
Yes. Mhm.
So the coefficient of x square are 0 ना, तो
Yes.
इसमें क्या आएगा फिर? अ, इसमें फिर फर्स्ट लेट्स डू दिस कंडीशन, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. So first, what will be the coefficient of? Okay, so it's 15. You got
No.
easy or मतलब tough? मतलब you are not able to solve?
I got some part. After that, I got a 15C2 into AB into 3 equal to 0.
Yeah, so इसमें करो ना फिर अभी. What will be the coefficient अभी? Coefficient of x square. तो x square में so it's 15 CR minus 3 raised to 15 minus R into x raised to n minus R. ओके, इट्स बेटर
Yes.
कि हम लोग इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग लाइक दिस. व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, एक मिनट, मैं इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर देता हूँ तो और क्विकली हो जाता था. एक मिनट. ओके, व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन रिमूव दिस. इसमें हम लोग ऐसा भी लिख सकते थे, TR+1 फर्स्ट टर्म इसको लिख लेते थे -3x+1 रेज टू 15, तो ये और क्विकली हो जाता था. तो 15 CR. नहीं नहीं, वही बराबर था. मैंने ये गलत कर दिया. ओके, 1 मिनट वेट. सो इट्स TR+1. 1 - 3x का क्या आएगा एक्सपेंशन? सो इट्स 15 CR
Hmm.
into
Yeah.
-3 raised to R into x raised to R. So in this case R is 2. Quickly इसमें
It's
x.
n minus r.
No, form.
Minus 3 raised to n minus r. Hmm.
हाँ हाँ. ओके, तो फिर हम लोग ऐसा करते थे ना, इसको -3x +1 रेज टू 15. तो इसका एक्सपेंशन, इसका ये टर्म ऐसा होता था ना, 15 CR इंटू -3x रेज टू R इंटू 1 रेज टू n
Yes.
माइनस R. तो ये इजी हो जाता था. सो इट्स -3 रेज टू R इंटू x रेज टू R इंटू 15 CR. तो इसका कोफिशिएंट आता था 15 C2 एक्स स्क्वायर. बाउंसर की समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes.
I just wrote this term in before so that I get directly in the form of R. तो ये क्विकली हो जाता है ना. एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट चाहिए तो R को 2 पुट करो. तो इट्स 15 से 2. फिर इसके बाद AX इंटू एक्स, तो एक्स का कोफिशिएंट चाहिए मतलब R को 1 पुट करो. सो इट्स -3 raised to 1 इंटू 15 C1. एक्स को भी हटा देंगे because now we are dealing just with coefficients. plus b again 0, मतलब minus 3 raised to 0. What happened? I think you are not able to do it.
Uh, so you assumed it to be x square. So you took your expansion to x square. That is
No, no, I just took the general term. See, I just took
okay.
this general term. इसमें से मुझे x is in this case I just want, now I am dealing with coefficient of x square. So in this case I will check the coefficient of x square. In this case I will check the coefficient of x, x raised to 1, because x
Yeah.
raised to 1 into x is x square. And in this case I will check
Hmm.
the coefficient of x raised to
Okay.
0,
Y x raised to 0.
because x raised to 0 into x square तो ही मुझे x square का coefficient मिलेगा ना.
Okay. Yes.
Clear or
How wouldn't x square be 1 into the 1 minus 3x raised to 15? Wouldn't that be
which
x raised to 0 instead
this
of
one?
bx square?
Okay, bx square. तो bx square I just now focus on this part ना, ये तो समझ गए ना. Now we are first we'll deal with coefficient of x square, उसके बाद अभी next step में करेंगे x cube के लिए. So
Okay.
x cube के
Yes.
लिए there will be separate equation
Yes.
in the form of a and b. दो equations बनेंगे ना. So this total coefficients is equal to 0, because they said coefficients of x square are 0.
Okay. Got it. Yes. Got it.
15c2 तो वो कितना आएगा?
That's
15 into 14 by 2,
uh,
7.
30, 105.
105 into 9. So 105 into 9. ठीक है, बाद में देखते हैं.
Yes.
Then this will be 15c1 is 15, so minus 45a.
Hmm.
And this will be 0, 1. 15c0 is 1, so plus b. So let's take
Hmm.
on. So we got this equation 45a minus b equal to 945. This is equation 1.
Yeah.
Now we will check coefficient of x cube. Both आप करो, देखो आंसर आ रहा है क्या.
Four.
Get the equation like this. Got the equation?
Almost.
Okay.
35 into minus 27 is.
35 into minus 27.
Yeah.
How you got 35 into minus 27?
15c3 into minus 3 whole
हाँ तो
cube.
15c3 क्या आएगा? 15 into 14 into 13 divided by 3 into 2. So 3 5s are 15. 2 into 7. Yeah, 35 into 13 correct. तो वो आएगा 273. नहीं एक मिनट 35 into 27 35 into 13 ना और फिर 27 भी है. So it would be 15c3 ऐसे मेरे को मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ एक मिनट रुक जाओ माइनस 3 क्यूब plus just tell me in this form what will
I
be 15.
got the equation.
What is the equation?
3276 is equal to 945a minus 45b.
In x cube.
Yes.
X cube में equation that's coming very simple form. एक
You
मिनट.
can take 45 out common and then it becomes.
हाँ 45 कॉमन निकालो तो क्या आएगा?
No, not 45 common. 5, 12, 3 common everywhere.
Okay.
So 1, 0, 9, 2.
Because मैं
Take 9 common.
3 हाँ okay. So
3.
15c3 is 35 into 30 into minus 3 cube. This is also 0. 15c2 15 into 14. 15c2 हम लोग ने निकाला था ना कितना था वो?
364 is equal to 105a minus 5b.
Okay. और सिंप्लीफाई नहीं हो रहा?
No, it's not divisible by 5, so no.
ओके एक मिनट बिकॉज इक्वेशन कुछ और ही आ रहा है थोड़ा सा और सिंपल आ रहा है 15 इंटू माइनस 3 ओके सो 15 आई थिंक 5 5 इंटू 7 15 सब में से निकल रहा है कॉमन सो 15 आई कैन टेक आउट कॉमन और माइनस 3 भी कॉमन निकल रहा है माइनस 45 यू कैन टेक इट आउट कॉमन सो 5 इंटू 9 ओके और मैं से 45 कॉमन निकाल दो 5 into 9, so it's 7 into 13 into 3. Minus भी निकाल देना बाप. Okay. So then it's A into 15 into 3 will be, so it's 21. And 15 into 3, so it's plus B. Okay, in this case, this will be minus. तो ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है मेरे को तो ये गया so 0
Yeah.
so 21a minus b equal to 21 into 13 कितना आ रहा है 273 ये आ रहा है इक्वेशन
Yes.
so solve a and b where you
What's
made
the first equation?
where you made this
I think, not sure. I think in the 15c3 finding it,
okay so you did
the
like this way only
integer.
no here are 15c3
Yeah, this method was the same.
okay so now just solve and get the value of a and b
203 by 11,
नहीं
I'm
यार
getting.
इतना
For
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
A.
नहीं पता नहीं आज क्या हो गया वी आर मेकिंग many mistakes okay इसको सॉल्व करो 45a
Okay, wait, I got it.
21a minus b. Tired?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So it's 24a is equal to 2, 7, 672. A will be 672 by 24.
Yeah, 672 by 24.
What is the answer? 672 by 24.